Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the essential qualities of a good animation character. To create a good animation character, we require a lot of things. So I have basically divided all those things into 10 important qualities. So let us learn which are the different essential qualities. So the first one is creativity. The design of the character must be very appealing. Means your character should appeal each and everyone, not just the children but adults too. As you are able to see, we are having minion which is very appealing to all the ages. We have to be creative, as well as we have to keep our character very simple. Attention to the details is very important, and one of the most important thing in creativity is thinking out of the box. So Minion is a very good example of a creativity where we are able to see that the character is very appealing to all the ages. The character is also simple, and we have definitely think out of the box. The next important thing in or quality of animation character, it should be humorous. Humor is always the key ingredient. Comedy is always the key to likability. We all know that whenever a cartoon or animation character is created, making it humorous or comedy is very important because people tend to like humorous characters. The humor reflects in the characters in the movement and behavior also. As you are able to see in the figure, the minion is having a humorous character, and that's why people all around the world are liking minions. The third important quality is patience. So patience is what animation require, or an animator also requires patience. We have to be very patient with our work. We all know that Rome was not built in a day. It took years of hard work. Similarly, each and every character, animation character, requires a lot of hard work. So you have to work on your character, and you have to be very patient. You cannot create a character in a single day. So you have to think about all the possible things that a character needs. So you cannot expect your work should be completed as soon as possible. So you have to be very patient with your character. You have to think about a lot of things: how he moves, how he behaves, what kind of a language he uses, what kind of a humor he's going to have. So a lot of things to be considered. The fourth important quality is called as good observation. A good observant learns from the things around him and tries to apply them in his characters. So generally, cartoon characters are generally motivated from reality. A person who is a good observer, or animator who is a good observer, can take many things from the real world and try to apply them in characters. They always study the movements of objects around them. The observer will always try to apply these qualities to the character, but when it comes to cartoon characters or animation character, we are generally exaggerating. So generally, if he is happy, we are showing the happiness in an exaggeration form. Similarly, if he is sad, we are showing the character in an exaggeration form. So exaggeration is very important, but we have to look at the real world. We have to see how people react to certain situations and apply these things into cartoon characters also. So the most important thing is observation. Next one is learning the acting. Now this may sound a little bit different, but if you don't know anything about acting, you can make your characters act? Because if you don't know how to cry, if you don't know how to show your joy, how to show your emotions, then how you can put that into characters? So acting, learning the acting or making your characters act is very important. So for that, what is required is to study the body mechanics of a movement, how people tend to react when crying, when they are happy, when they are angry. So we have to study all these body mechanics and apply them into our character. For that, again, observation comes very critical. Analysis of acting of professional actors, plays, and interesting performances. We can learn these things from professional actors or by watching movies and so on. We have to note why and how you feel after watching them. All the animation characters are inspired from reality and are just enhanced for making them more entertaining. So generally, we are taking all the things from reality and we are trying to exaggerate in the animation characters. The next important quality is interpretation. A good animator should know the aim of the project and works towards its achievement. We should always know that why particular character was developed, what is the goal of that particular character, and we have to work towards it. Yes. So we have to have a very good idea of particular scene, its motive and importance of its in the presence in the film. So we have to always interpret that how the character will behave in a certain situation and how the scene or the motive of that particular character will affect the film. So do look and the feel of the animation project, whether it is a film or a game, is very important. So generally, animation characters can be used in films or in a game. So how we have to interpret all those things. So interpretation is the most important quality. Be motivated. Motivation for a good animator is an essential quality. If you are not motivated, then it is difficult to become good at anything you want in your life. So motivation is very important. What are the things which are required for your character? What are the motivation for your character is very important. So if you are having an idea, you can't just be thinking all. You have to take a paper, you have to start the drawing. Don't wait for other day to come. So, and you have to motivate yourself. The next important part is detailing. Detailing to anything is very important. A good animator always pays attention to the details. So we just don't have to think about the character. We have to see about the environment around him. So we have to make a very detailed uh, detailing about all the environment also. So an animated sequence is replicated on the screen inspired from the reality. So yes, again, we have to see, we have to inspire ourselves from reality, and we have to do the detailing. It is an important skill to detail each and every small thing around the character. So it is very important. So if your character is moving in a building, so you have to think about all the things in the building, or if he is outside, so you have to think about the roads, the cars moving, and so on. So detailing is very important. The next important thing which is required for any animation character or in life is the teamwork. So animation is nothing but a teamwork. Cooperation with your team member is very important. You must be very good in nature, cooperative attitude, because animation requires a bigger team. You require designers, you require sound artists, you require uh, backgrounds, you require so many things, and there are so many tasks to be performed. So for that, you require always a team. So you have to be very cooperative with each other. You have to work in a team. So you should always know how to work with your team. You have to listen to them very carefully, and together also you can achieve the goal. Toughness. uh, Now this is something different. Toughness is, it is not necessarily the toughness of a character. Toughness is actually the animator toughness, because it is not always necessary that whatever you create, whatever animation you create, will be liked by everyone. So you have to be listening to all the people, You have to listen. You have to listen to the critics. You have to learn from your mistakes. Uh, you know, you have to create more and more cartoons or characters that will be more appealing, so you can make improvements. So that is what is required when you are creating an animation character. Animation character cannot be created in a day, so you have to work on it uh, every time. So these are nothing but the 10 important or essential qualities required by an animation character. Hopefully you liked it. So thank you for watching this video.